Hey guys, after learning about small deviation adjustment, this lesson, we're going to talk about large deviation adjustment method. We have known the large deviation can't be adjusted by software. Look at the shown robotic arm. You can find that its deviation is large and its value is beyond 100. How can we adjust it? First of all, connect the controller to the computer through USB cable and switch on the robotic arm. Then click Reset Servo on PC software to attention stamps. We can find that ID3 servo has a large deviation and it needs to be adjusted to the standard shown in the upper right corner. First of all, remove the screw or mesh servo horn of number 3 servo, and then slightly open the servo brake kit to separate the servo main shaft from the brake kit. Do not exert much force on the brake kit to avoid the deformation of the brake kit. Before adjusting the servo, you must ensure that the servo is in middle position. Then rotate number 3 servo brake kit to adjust until the 2 screws on number 3 servo brake kit is aligned with the screws on the number 4 and number 5 servo brake kit below. Then reinstall the brake kit to the main shaft. If due a small deviation, you can adjust it slightly according to the previous lesson. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope it can help you.